Most people think the Cinnamon desktop is plain, boring, and kind of old school. But what if I told you it can look modern, smooth, and even cooler than macOS or Windows? So just stick around because I'm going to show you how to transform it completely in just 9 easy steps. Well, first look at the final results: the transparent top bar, dock style bottom panel, weather widgets on the desktop, gorgeous icons, hot corners, magic lamp, and even 3D window switching. And the crazy part, you can set it up by yourself in just 15 minutes. Alright, let's roll back to the boring default Cinnamon desktop and I will show you step by step how to get from plain to stunning desktop. So first thing first, the wallpapers, we will change the wallpaper. A good wallpaper is like giving your room a fresh coat of paint. The default ones are okay, but they don't really inspire much. First, head to the system settings, choose the background, pick something vibrant. You can even download it from Pixabay or any other website where it should be copyrighted free. And even better, set it to slideshow mode if you have multiple desktop wallpapers, so that your desktop keeps refreshing with new vibes after the set period of time. And trust me, wallpapers change the whole mood. Means the dark theme fans go for minimal gradients, nature lovers go for landscape, techy looks, abstract neon wallpapers, and this one step alone takes away almost half of the boring feeling of the default Cinnamon desktop. And next up, we will change the settings of panel. By default, it's this chunky block setting at the bottom. Doesn't feel modern at all. It's a simple plain panel setup. But Cinnamon has a built-in extension for this. Just go to the extensions and enable transparent panels, and you can see that the bottom panel becomes transparent. You can set it to half transparent or fully transparent, and suddenly your heavy taskbar turns into a clean glassy strip that bends beautifully with your wallpaper. It feels lighter, smoother, and honestly way more premium than the default Linux looks. And it's such a small change but makes a huge difference, and already it feels like a modern desktop. I think you must be getting that one. Now let's get serious about the layouts. In step 1, we will move the panel to the top. Just right click on the panel and choose the move panel to top, and trust me, once you put it up there, it instantly feels cleaner, kind of macOS or GNOME top bar. In step 2, we will declutter the panel, get rid of group icons. This is the default X-App launcher because nobody really uses it that way, which is given in by default. And step 3, we will center the clock, change its format to date, time, showing year, format 24 hours clock, add seconds, and even show the date. This makes the top bar not only look balanced but also more useful. And the final touch, add the workspace switcher applet, but set it to simple buttons. No big bulky previews, just clean and tiny buttons written 1, 2, 3, 4 or the number of workspaces you are using. And workspace navigation feels instantly and your panel looks quite professional. And let's be honest, the default Cinnamon menu is quite boring. Scrolling through endless categories, same old look. It's just gives a very old vibe. So here's an upgrade or a suggestion for you. Just change it to Cinnamenu. I will show you how to do it. Go to the applets, downloads, and search for Cinnamenu, add it and remove the old menu from the taskbar. Now the fun begins. Just right click the configure button. Cinnamenu is like a chameleon. You can keep it compact like traditional menu or turn it into full screen grid app like Windows 11 or GNOME activities. The search is super fast. Type a few letters and it finds apps, system settings, and even recent files instantly. And the best part, you can pin favorite apps on top, adjust icon size, tweak spacing, change the transparency, even replace the menu button with your own icon. This is one of those, once you try it, you never go back like tweaks. Okay, one panel isn't enough if you multitask much. So let's add a second one. Right click on the panel, add panel at the bottom, and increase the size slightly so that app icons don't look squished. Then enable the group icons section, which neatly stacks all windows of the same app into one icon. And what you now have is the perfect combo: top bar of the for the system info, bottom panel as your app dock. It's sleek, functional, and feels like a mix of GNOME, macOS, and Windows, but way better than all the three. And next, it's time to add some useful info on the desktop. And just go to the system settings. From there, go to Desklet and install a Weather Desklet. Now, a small tip: make a free account on Open Weather Map. Grab your API key. You have to register it through your email ID. Just plug it in, search for your city name, and get the numeric code from the taskbar, from the address bar. And that's why your Desklet shows accurate real-time weather data for your location. You can choose a style minimal, text only, or a big card and place it wherever you like. Now whenever you glance at your desktop, you will know what's happening outside without even opening your browser. It makes the desktop feel alive, and even you can configure the transparencies of this applet, weather applet. Now we will move to the next section. Cinnamon stock icons aren't terrible, but they are quite outdated. Means since last 3-4 releases they are using almost the same set of icons. You just download and apply the Vortex-Dark Icon theme. I just love it. It's a minimal icon theme. This theme brings consistency, apps, folders, and system icons all a fresh, dark, polished look. The dark edges of flat designs make everything look clean, modern, and professional. And trust me, icons matter more than you think. They give your desktop a real vibe and personality, reflecting your own. Alright, then let's add some spices to your desktop. First, go to System Settings, Hot Corners. Assign each corner an action like expose a view, show workspaces, or open an app. Now just throw your mouse in the corner and instant multitasking appears. It's super addictive. It is very super addictive once you get used to it. Next, the magic lamp extension we will be installing. Remember those wavy minimize animation from old school macOS? You get it there from this magic lamp extension. Every time you minimize or restore a window, it smoothly bends and flows. It's subtle, but it makes your system feel alive and quite playful. And finally, the cherry on the top, the 3D Alt+Tab settings. Just head on to System Settings, go to Windows, choose the Alt+Tab functions and change the switcher to 3D mode. Now whenever you press Alt+Tab, your apps stack and rotate in 3D. It's flashy, smooth and makes multitasking way more fun. Every time you switch apps you will smile, it's that satisfying. And there we go, Cinnamon desktop transformed from plain and boring to sleek, modern and productive blend of macOS, GNOME and Windows style. You have transparent panels, clean layout, gorgeous icons, Weather Desklet, hot corners, magic animation and 3D app switching, all without installing a new distro or any heavy plugin. That's the beauty of Linux. You don't need to switch systems to get a new look. Just tweak and customize what you already have. If you like this, hit the like button, drop a comment about your favorite tweak and subscribe for more Linux tips and transformation. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much.